the volume of the cone shown below? Give an exact answer. That means we're going to use the pi symbol, not 3.14. The volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r squared times the height. The radius in this case is 5, and the height we have to calculate. It gives us the slant, but that is not the height. To calculate the height, we are going to use the Pythagorean theorem. So 5 squared plus b squared equals 13 squared. This is 25, and 13 squared is 169. Then we need to subtract 25 from both sides, and we get b squared is equal to 144. By square rooting both sides, we get that b is 12. So the height is 12. Five squared is 25, and our height is still 12. 1/3 of 12 is 4, and 25 times 4 is 100. So our answer here is 100 pi, and it doesn't tell us if this is inches or feet, so we're just going to say units cubed. We use cube because we're talking about a volume, not an area.